Today I'm gonna show you how to block someone on TikTok. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. First, we open TikTok. Then, we go to the profile of the person we wanna block. After that, we click on the share icon in the top right corner. Then, we click on block and we block the person we wanna block. If we wanna see the blocked accounts, we need to go to our own account. After that, we click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then, we click on settings and privacy. Then, we click on privacy. We scroll down and click on blocked accounts. From there, we can see all the accounts we have blocked. Additionally, if you want, we can unblock the blocked individuals from this section. If you cannot block the people you want, it could be due to a bug in the application. To resolve this issue, you can uninstall TikTok completely and then reinstall it. To delete TikTok's data, we open settings. We scroll down and click on apps. Then we click on manage apps. After that, we type TikTok in the search bar. Next, we click on storage. Before clicking on clear data, there is something important to note. The drafts you have created on TikTok may be deleted after clearing the app's data. Therefore, you should save your drafts to your device to avoid losing them. To clear TikTok's data, we click on clear data and then click on clear all data. We confirm by pressing OK. We have cleared TikTok's data. We go back to the previous page and click on uninstall. Then we click OK. We have uninstalled TikTok. To reinstall it, we open the Play Store. Then we type TikTok in the search bar. After that, we click on install. We have installed TikTok. Now, you can open TikTok and check if the blocking feature is working properly. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was useful for you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.